Hello boys, men, and sirs, welcome back to another wildly exciting episode of Austin Avenue. Today, as promised from last week, we're gonna be doing... How do I explain this without sounding like a crazy person? I'm gonna be using... I'll just tell you what I'm doing. We're gonna have some fun with coloring in my stubble with a blue eyebrow pencil because I think it would look cool, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna try it here. And if I end up looking stupid and dumb, then broski, that's the case. I've got a mirror set up now, so my vanity is like, hello, how are ya? And if it looks cool, then we'll tuck it away for when I'm on the speaking circuit or something, or when I would actually walk out in public looking like a weirdo. Full disclosure, because I always try to have full disclosure here, I did do some of this on Christmas, where I went to a Christmas party for the company, the brewery I work for up here in Boone. And I looked a little bit creepy because it was very dramatic and green. So we're gonna do blue, and we're just gonna see what happens. And yeah, why are we doing this? Well, because why not? I really don't have any good reason, except for perhaps male expression is something that we can have fun with and play around with. Women have a lot of freedom to kind of express themselves different ways, and men don't always have the same freedoms culturally. And yeah, this all could be for naught, because if I look really dumb and stupid, then it'll be like, oh well, so much for self-expression. That being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. I am going to, this is my knife, I'm going to start with using this It Matters, which is a mattifier from Neutrogena, and it also is like a primer as well. So I'm just going to put it all my places where my facial hair exists currently, and where we're going to be putting the product, or the eyebrow pencil. And again, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I will say stuff that sounds good. So that's gonna help the eyebrow pencil stick to my face. Hopefully that's true and I'm not lying. So what we're gonna use today is this eyebrow pencil that I already tested, not like I tested it on my hand. Also, wow, my hand is peeling away. The eyebrow pencil kit comes with a sharpener, or it was supposed to. Maybe it's downstairs. Let's go check that. Okay, couldn't find the sharpener. Not sure where it went. No ideas. So, at least now I know why I brought the knife up here, because we will just have to shave away the pencil ourselves. No idea. Y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is more of a just... what's gonna happen? Grab your popcorn, because I have no idea. Don't take any advice from me. I don't know anything. So I'm just gonna kind of do this, I guess. And, let's see here. I'm only gonna put it where I have facial hair. Time to sharpen. This doesn't seem to actually be working at all. This is perhaps the jankiest way I could have done this. Youch. Wow. Oh, we've got a lot on our knife. So for our next step, we're just gonna really casually take it off our knife and keep going, you know, because that's how we do things here on Austin Avenue. We just take the eyebrow pencil straight off the knife. Holy cow. Y'all, this is turning into just an absolute disaster. Here I thought we were going to be forging new waters in male expression, masculine expression, and that's such a great phrase too. And this looks very silly. I think. I am really not thinking this is something anyone would want to do as their stubble augmentation. I'm gonna take the eyebrow pencil brush that we had used to do stuff. This one is absolute crap. Is this doing anything? Do we know? Can we tell? What were you thinking, buddy? Oh, buddy. Is anything happening? Okay, well, you know what, y'all? I don't think it's great. I don't think I would ever see a time or a place where this would be a look. Who knows though? I've done a lot of crazy things in my day, so thoughts from you guys? Is this even remotely intriguing at all? Is this something you would do? If you did this, I guess I would recommend not using quite literally the crappiest eyebrow pencils in the world. Granted, I did buy these on Amazon for like $2. I'd be really intrigued to hear your thoughts on this. I'm very much leaning into the side of this looks dumb, but could probably be convinced that it doesn't. Or you could just totally crush me and say, Austin, huge failure in huge failure.
You look like a fool, don't you?
Anyway, thank you. Okay, well, this is what this looks like. What is it called? Not sure. Beard augmentation? Question mark. Masculine expression? Question mark. Who knows? We did it. We used eyebrow pencil. We're concerned now about what's happening, but hey, we're living and learning. That's what we're here for. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning into Austin Avenue. It was great having you here. I hope you enjoyed this video, at the very least, because I just looked insane. And hopefully you got a nice little laugh out of this. But as always, y'all, stay studly. It's okay to be silly. It's okay to try things that are maybe dumb, maybe not dumb. Maybe I'm setting a trend right now and I don't even know it. But our identity does not come from what we do. It comes on who we are and who we have been designed to be. And so, y'all, please take thoughts in that.
Yeah, it's a hot mess too.